guys, it's Big Bro EF, the California guy, and this is my bike check before my new parts I'm gonna get. I'm gonna order some new parts pretty soon, but from bars we got We the People, Zodiac bars, stock bars, stem, just a little core cheap stem, 15 bucks from Amazon. I flipped it upside down for leverage or whatever. The forks, We the People, We the People Zodiac forks, Salt Plus Element, rims, front and rear, wheel set, G-Sport peg, Kink Lyra front tire, Colt Vans grips, really nice, Primo integrated headset, We the People Zodiac frame, Amber seat I got from my friend, Salt Plus cranks, really nice, Eclat Plaza PC pedals, plastic. I've had them for like 2 years. I'm gonna get some new ones, but they held up pretty nice. Shadow sprocket. I don't know what kind it is. Primo bottom bracket, and a mechanic half-link chain. We the People back tire, feeling. G-Sport plastic peg again, and that's my bike. Oh, here's a hub noise. And then sound check. Like, it's really solid. And here's a clip again. That's my bike check.